Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Shrew.
And Jojo. We finally cracked this. I like it. I like the whole points are at least pointing in the correct direction now.
Yes. We should try the high five also. Always very lame. Oh yeah, we can do this.
We
Okay,
can do
anyway.
this.
Sorry for the lameness. Excuse us. But yeah, let's now begin with this reaction. I'm most excited. Are you?
Yes,
Remember?
I am very, very jungly about this reaction. And also because it's been suggested to us. And so तब से उस दिन से मेरे को काफी excitement है. Now,
Yeah.
in case you're wondering, कि क्या किसने
Raj
suggest किया था?
Jones,
Yeah.
yes. So Raj got us to listen to Raval and Bharg and Ikka and Sez ka Gana Akkad Bakkad. That was in our collab with Raj. I'll link that here. And we were absolutely, our minds were completely blown by that track. And of course, I know that Jangli Kutta has been requested for a long time, and it's gotten bumped off my list many times because of new releases and other stuff. But now, priority basis.
We could not
Cannot
avoid
wait.
it, ignore it any longer. So now I think it's high time.
Yeah, so good job, Raj, because he's the one who got me more and more curious about Raval as an artist after that session with him. So now let's get to this one. It is from the album Sab Chahiye. Lyrics Raval, Kam and Raga. Music production Bharg. Tale mixing Bharg. Mastering Says on the beat. Okay, so
गाने का नाम?
Jangli Kutta.
I just wanted to hear you say it. Yes, let's do this now.
I like dogs. Okay, so it's not a bad word for me.
सवाल ये है, do you like
Perfect.
जंगली कुत्ते?
Oh God. Let's see.
Come on.
Let's see. Chalo. Calm is in this. You are keeping calm about that? Okay.
No,
Anand say you're
3
not.
बार बोल चुकी हूँ. शुरू करो.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play.
Bar cooked another one.
जंगली कुत्ता ये रोनाल्डो कैलो रूनी लड़का खूनी बचपन में मरी मासूमी किसी की मांगता हूँ नहीं किसी की कान ना चूमी तेरी फटे जैसे स्कूबी मुझ में करेज वाली खूबी मेरे सारे काम बखूबी तेरी फसल सूगी तेरी नैया डूबी तेरी बंदी ग्रुपी साथ में फूके डूबी छूके देख फिर खाएगा मुंह की लौंडा है तो क्यों तू मूडी तीर जैसे शब्द तुझे दर्द दे अंदरूनी सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में सायरन जैसे बजेगा फिर कान पे डंडे पड़े कान पे कौन है तेरा बाप बेटा कट ले अपने काम पे हम किसी से ना कामते कूदा अपने आप पे कोई रास्ते के सामने तो जिंदगी हराम उसकी मरेगा हराम पे गुरूर अपने नाम पे चल बेटा सलाम दे गाली अगर माँ पे तो फाड़ूंगा मैं तेरी वो भी इंची टेप से नाप के शब्द के हिसाब ये हिसाब का मैं पक्का छत से दे दूं धक्का अगर नहीं तू सका तू बस प्लेयर है लपा मेरे जोन में मता यहाँ पे सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छुके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में
है खेले बच्चों का ये देते खुद को लाड़ी पाँव पर मैं सामने खड़ा पावर लेवल देख के फटे स्कोप यहाँ आए ना काम ये बालिका की छर्रे वाली मौजर आरपीजी से कम ना करे बाजू कुत्ते खड़े यहाँ पर अलजेदी सीधे जूते पड़े मुंह पे यहाँ पर आना नहीं तू ज्यादा नहीं पसंद हमें भैया बुलाकर असली इरादों से हूँ वाकिफ चुप हूँ आखिर मुझे पता है जो अपने उनसे जब मिलूं गले में लाकर फटा तो फटेगी सभी की कमी नियमों की फतेह की बात एक नानों से करे यू लामों की तुलना क्या पागल है घाटे की झाड़ तू खोले रखा तो मैं बोलूंगा ज्यादा तो आधों को लगेगी बात यहाँ आया तो है नहीं कोई वापसी स्वागत में कान पे पड़ेगी लात पहली बोला सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत अपने हाथ में छोड़ा पट्टा कुत्तों का ये आतंक में ही काट ले तो भाग पे तू रात जब मैं थूकू साले चाट ले मैं बस बोलूं सीधे फाड़ू दे दूं हाथ में बोलूं इतना सच इनको भर के तू बदहाज ले I don't give a fuck छापे में और उनको लाख में है पता नहीं ये शहर कौन सा उतरे जब विमान से
सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छुके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में फटा रागा फटी गांठ जैसे न्यूक्लियर शब्द है मास बदले एनर्जी में थूक दिया जो दिल पे ले ले उसका नास वो बहरूपिया कोई क्या उखाड़ेगा I say it loud I got no fear बस बोल दिया मिलके बूथ में बात कर या फिर सड़कों पे मिलके खा तू थूथ में नाक पर मेरे लड़कों से बचने का तो नो इलाज पर चाहे तो पर तू कर ले तेरा भूत बना कर छोड़ू पीसीआर से यारी पुरानी एनसीआर से सायरन है पट्टे कान पे सारे ये होशियार से फाइलें है दर्ज थानेदार के दराज में लगा के 307 हम 302 के पन्ने फाड़ दे क्या हाँ सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में दुखने लगते घुटने जब ये साथ अपने भागते उल्टे लगते भगने हमसे किसी की ना मानते सम्मान दे अब बाप को ना फोकट की अफरान दे क्या भगवान सामने फिर क्या सवाल आन दे करने कमाल जानते हम भर के माल चांद पे जंगली कुत्ते दिल्ली से करनाल नापते और दायरे तू छोड़ अपना पूरा हिंदुस्तान है सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छू के देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में
Jojo, love has happened on multi levels. Like so much
I
love
can't
has happened.
believe I'm having this kind of reaction. I can't.
What kind
my
of reaction are you
God.
having? Use the
I'm just-
words. Tell me.
Good. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that beat. Can we start from the beat?
Yes. It is still
Like-
ringing in my brain. It is so.
Oh my God, it was amazing. It was amazing.
I
Like,
need
I
water.
just-
This is like. This is,
एक तो they didn't
I'm
they didn't
thirsty
wait
now.
to start only ना. Like गाना शुरू हुआ, but they didn't wait. They were like, तुम्हें सुनना है, तुम catch up करो, हम तो शुरू कर चुके हैं, आ जाओ. They just started and they just like went off. And each one, all of them was so amazing.
There was no rest as a listener from the first second.
I'm
to
so
the last.
glad.
Exactly.
I'm-
That's why I'm
I'm-
feeling.
I'm
That's
so-
why I'm feeling tired. I need more water.
And my God, and so much screen presence, so much attitude. And the way the whole video has been done, you know, एक होता है गाने का title जहाँ वो बोल रहे हैं कि जंगली कुत्ते, you know, लेकिन एक होता है दिखाना in the correct way that, you know, don't take पंगा with us. When all of us are together, we are quite jungly, and don't take
Yes.
पंगा with us. And we are like, you know, in our own zone. So just like stay out. It was amazing.
I think even when they're solo, don't take panga with them because
Yeah,
freaking
yeah.
hell, the attitude and the power and the
I can watch this again right now.
yes,
Like just
right away. I was saying the same thing. Like we gotta watch this again. Listen, let's watch it
Oh,
again. Okay, let's watch it again.
let's-
We've never
let-
done this
I don't
before,
want.
but let's watch
Let's
it
do
again
this
because
right now.
holy crap,
Let's do this.
it
Okay.
deserves it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
Bart cooked another one.
जंगली कुत्ता ये रोनाल्डो कह लो रूनी लड़का खूनी बचपन में मरी मासूमी किसी की मांगता हूं नहीं किसी की कान ना चूमी तेरी फटे जैसे स्कूबी मुझ में करेज वाली खूबी मेरे सारे काम बखूबी तेरी फसल सूखी तेरी नैया डूबी तेरी बंदी ग्रुपी साथ में फूके डूबी छूके देख फिर खाएगा मुंह की लौंडा है तो क्यों तू मूडी तीर जैसे शब्द
TMS.
तुझे दर्द दे अंदरूनी सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में सायरन जैसे बजेगा फिर कान पे डंडे पड़े कान पे कौन है तेरा बाप बेटा कट ले अपने काम पे हम किसी से ना कामते कूदा अपने आप पे कोई रास्ते के सामने तो जिंदगी हराम उसकी मरेगा हराम पे गुरूर अपने नाम पे चल बेटा सलाम दे गाली अगर माँ पे तो फाड़ूंगा मैं तेरी वो भी इंची टेप से नाप के शब्द के हिसाब ये हिसाब का मैं पक्का छत से दे दूं धक्का अगर नहीं तू सका तू बस प्लेयर है लपा मेरे जोन में मता यहाँ पे सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में
What a nostalgic feel.
जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में
है खेले बच्चों का ये देते खुद को लाड़े पाँव पर मैं सामने खड़ा पावर लेवल देख के फटे स्कोप यहाँ आए ना काम ये बाले काकी छर्रे वाली माउजर आरपीजी से कम ना करे बाजू कुत्ते खड़े यहाँ पर अलजेदी सीधे जूते पड़े मुंह पे यहाँ पर आना नहीं तू ज्यादा नहीं पसंद हमें भैया बुलाकर असली इरादों से हूँ वाकिफ चुप हूँ आखिर मुझे पता है जो अपने उनसे जब मिलूं गले मिलाकर फटा दो फटेगी सभी की कमी नहीं यामों की फतेह की बात एक नानों से करे क्यों लाभों की तुलना क्या पागल है गधे की झाड़ तू खोले रखा तो मैं बोलूंगा ज्यादा तो आधों को लगेगी बात यहाँ आया तो है नहीं कोई वापसी स्वागत में गांड पे पड़ेगी लात पहली बोला सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत अपने हाथ में छोड़ा पट्टा कुत्तों का ये आतंक में ही काट ले तो भाग पे तू राग जब मैं थूकू साले चाट ले देख मैं बस बोलूं सीधे फाड़ू दे दूं हाथ में बोलूं इतना सच इनको भर के तू बदहाज ले I don't give a fuck चापे में और ऑनकोर लाख में है पता नहीं ये शहर कौन सा उतरे जब विमान से
सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में फटा रागा फटी गांठ जैसे न्यूक्लियर शब्द है मास बदले एनर्जी में थूक दिया जो दिल पे ले ले उसका नाश वो बहरूपिया कोई क्या उखाड़ेगा I say it loud I got no fear बस बोल दिया मिलके बूथ में बात कर या फिर सड़कों पे मिलके खा तू थूथ में नाक पर मेरे लड़कों से बचने का तो नो इलाज पर चाहे तो पर तू कर ले तेरा भूत बना कर छोड़ू पीसीआर से यारी पुरानी एनसीआर से सायरन है पट्टे कान पे सारे ये होशियार से फाइलें है दर्ज थानेदार के दराज में लगा के 307 हम 302 के पन्ने फाड़ दे क्या हाँ सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में दुखने लगते घुटने जब ये साथ अपने भागते उल्टे लगते भगने हमसे किसी की ना मानते सम्मान दे अब बाप को ना फोकट की अफरान दे क्या भगवान सामने फिर क्या सवाल आन दे करने कमाल जानते हम भर के माल चांद पे जंगली कुत्ते दिल्ली से करनाल नापते और दायरे तू छोड़ अपना पूरा हिंदुस्तान है सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में सारे जंगली कुत्ते साथ में जंगली कुत्ते सारे साथ में लड़के छूके देख तेरा दांत मेरे हाथ में
I can't. I just. I'm in pain.
This-
It's so good. I'm in pain. Oh,
It is such a strong song, and all the finishes were so strong. Every two lines were finishing with
yes.
such a hard hit. Like, whoa!
yes. Oh my
Second
God.
time around, the respect has gone even like grander because like कभी कभी होता है दूसरी बार सुन के you're like हाँ पहली बार में ज्यादा अच्छा लगा था नहीं
No.
यहाँ पे दूसरी बार के बाद भी like wow
That is exactly, and then oh my God, we have to start from the beginning. There's so much to talk about in this.
and a big
okay.
shout out to directed by Anurag Sharma. Boss,
Yes.
क्या वीडियो
क्या-
बनाया है क्या वीडियो
Exactly.
बनाया है
Ooh, so
and
good.
all the camera angles and the way they've played with every artist coming across
Yeah.
coming across with the camera angle so well
So
and
well.
हर एक की personality निकल के आ रही है camera angles के साथ I don't know if that makes sense so
DOP Nikhil Vision. No, I know exactly what you're saying. I
oof.
know exactly what you mean because they were just each one of them on camera had so much presence and so much power and strength. And the camera angles and all of that had a lot to do with it as well.
yeah and सबकी
Yeah.
अलग अलग personality है like you could see who moves in what way and how the wow
So can we start from the beginning with Mr. Raval?
yes
First one on the mic. He was, I can't get over his flow switches. It was just insane. So I've not heard.
the way he
I've
broke
not
it
heard-
na
Yeah, his cadence was
going so
just
fast
so.
and then, oh my
and then
god
he'll-
yes
The second time hearing his verse, I was just like, "Oh my God, he's in his own zone. Like, there's no one who sounds like him. He's so
with a lot of skill
freaking
behind that
different.
zone That's
Yes,
very skilled yeah.
Oh my God. And I'm just my mind is blown. After we heard Akkad Bakkad, I was like, this guy is so good. And with this track, it's doubled, tripled. Oh my God. And I have to say the beat as well and the mixing has so much to do with how good those switches sounded. Right?
yes yes
There was panning that was happening. And then I have to say throughout the track, not just Raval's verse, Raval's especially, the ad-libs are hilarious.
yes second time around I heard all the ad-libs very very clearly
Yeah.
because they were hilarious
So funny. Oh my God. So well placed. And not too much of them. It wasn't a lot.
not that they'll take away from the track and from the person who's performing at that point but at the
Yeah.
same time it'll add the correct amount where it makes it fun for as a listener
Yeah.
to like
Because I feel like Seethe Maut, Kaam and Encore have a lot more ad-libs in their track and that works for the what they're doing there, the two
Yeah.
of them. In this, it was just a little sprinkle of them, but so well timed. So good. PMS. moody. I was like,
और उसके straight बाद वो तीर वाली line थी. So
Yeah.
see, this is what was happening. Every line had something that would make you sit up, take notice, or
Yeah.
smile, or make you want to jump. But by the time you're actually doing all this, you've already moved on and something new has come your way. When
Yeah.
that's happening in a song, I mean, at least to me, I immediately know that this song I can listen to endlessly. Because
Yes.
every line is giving you so much freshness and so much amazingness, basically, just packed into it. Yeah, I can't believe it right now.
Yeah.
I can't believe.
And then
you know.
calm as
Oh,
usual. Okay.
yes.
You wanna take this one? Go for it.
Nahi, please go ahead. मैं क्या बोलूं? Like the moment okay, so was it just me? But second time around, everyone had their own level of expertise that they got to the track, right?
Yeah.
And every time that you heard them, not even once, I did initially before going into the song, I did think that maybe when Kam comes on board, because maybe I've heard him before, maybe because I like him before, like, दूसरे गानों में, that maybe over here I will be a little biased. But that wasn't the case.
No.
Because I was just like so bowled over and overtaken that by the time Kam came, but he was so distinctive in what he did that the moment he was there, I was like, yeah, Kam is Kam for a reason. That's
Yeah.
why I love him so much. Like,
Yes.
but everyone in this track was like too good, too good.
Yeah. And I have to say, Raga was a revelation because
Yes.
on the channel, on the channel, we never reacted to his tracks. There was some requested during the beef that we were covering, but we never got to those again. But
Yeah.
I have heard him before on a track called Kendi C. It
Acha.
was a track that I just randomly found on YouTube and I heard it. It played on my show many times on radio. I had played it. So I'd heard him there, but that's a romantic track. So I was like, oh, okay, this guy's good. I like his voice and everything. But
I will definitely listen to Kendi C then.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Huh.
But and that's why some people requested it also, but I didn't react to it because I'd already heard it.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
so but then Raga in this avatar is a completely different person. So and I think this is his usual that was a one-off sort of romantic side of his, I think. But
Right.
oh my god, the guy, first of all, his voice. Now there's a lot of people whose voice immediately grabs you, right?
Yep.
The
Correct.
bhariness and the
The
pull is
gravitas
just
and
that
the
strong.
vavas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is definitely this thing, the attitude, the punchlines, the verse, man. What can I say? All three of them had such strong verses. This
Honestly, I haven't gotten over it yet.
yeah.
Like right now, I'm still absorbing because, for the while I was listening to the song both the times, I was so engrossed in just enjoying the song for what it was that I was like, हाँ ठीक है, बाकी सब चीजें बाद में notice करूंगी. I don't really care about that. The song is so amazing that I just want to be fully absorbed in it, and that's what I just did. But like,
It's a genius
I
track.
can't get over it.
I'm trying to
I can't.
think why do tracks like this grab you from the word
Because
go? And they don't,
I think
because there's so much attitude, there's so much power,
Yeah,
there's so much just
yeah.
like
and they're so high energy that they begin only so high energy, and then with skill, I think that high energy just keeps taking you on a roller coaster ride.
yeah, but I'm trying
You
to
know-
understand the connecting factor. Like this song, when you listen to it as a listener, what does it make you feel? It makes you feel strong yourself, right? It makes you feel like this is who I am, and I don't give a what you think. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know, that transference of that attitude comes into the listener, because I'm trying to understand why do
Correct.
songs like this, they're not a
Yeah.
storytelling track. There's no like emotional things happening in it. There's no how do you say give me
You're
an
right.
example.
Yeah.
Like, I'm trying to understand why
Yeah.
you and me, for example, and we are not even guys. I mean, I'm not saying this is not a song that will not appeal to women. It's just
Yeah.
a song that appeals to everyone because
I think it's okay. I can speak for me. Like, I know that when I listen to it, the reason
Mhm.
I'm enjoying it so much is because that transference of energy that you're talking about,
yeah.
I'm feeling the vibe that they're having so much fun, and
Yeah.
the beat is allowing me to move to the same rhythm they are moving. So when I'm doing that, while I can't be them, but through their song, when I'm listening to it, I'm part of their circle, because there are so many people who are
Yeah.
there in the song, right? So it feels like this one very like हम सब इकट्ठे हैं. आप वहाँ सुन रहे हो, हम यहाँ गा रहे हैं, लेकिन हम सब इकट्ठे हम एक हैं.
Yes.
Like, it's that kind of a feeling.
Yeah.
So,
So if
yeah.
you feel like you belong to this like
Yeah.
bunch of
Yeah.
like amazing, awesome people, and it kind of almost makes you feel like a groupie. But like, I want to walk
Yes.
into the gym and work out to this song like right now. You know,
Yeah.
I want.
I want to work with all of them and go to the gym. इकट्ठे सब इकट्ठे करेंगे.
You know how I feel about mosh pits, but this song is making me want to get into a mosh pit.
I know you said it also. I was like, I just want to jump. I just want to jump behind the, like, you know,
Yes.
like mosh pit ke piche dancing kind of. I just want to jump there and just like scream with them.
These are the kind of tracks that make me feel like we shouldn't be sitting when we react to songs. We should have
टूटने लग जाएंगी
desks,
चीजें
standing
और
desks.
बैठे बैठे तो हम माइक तोड़ते रहते हैं. Can you imagine if we stand up and start dancing to these? Everything will be broken.
Headphones will fall. Yes. Mata aa jati hai, mata will happen. So, but we will spare
I
you
think on
guys
that-
that visual, and we will now go from here. But amazing. No, wait, before we go, please,
Yes.
a big shout out to Bharg for the music. The music on this track is another level. It was so good. I was in pain. I was just like, how is this beat? It's so good.
Amazing.
You know, the good pain. Loved it. So good. And we
Yes.
need to get to other tracks of these guys and probably this album, guys.
Yes, please.
Suggest.
Yes.
And my apologies for getting to this late. And it's my loss only. It's our loss, but we are finally here. We have come to the party a little late. But tell us, DM me on Insta, tell me other tracks we should get to, and check out Miss Bola's YouTube channel. She's podcasting there. It's linked below. And we'll see you now in the next one.
Bye.
Live long and prosper.